Can this be really true? Oh, how I wish I had you.
Today we're going to do brown stew chicken, otherwise called fricassee chicken. I've got a 3-pound chicken cut up in portions here, which I've shown earlier on how to cut up a chicken. I wash it and dry it, wash it with lemon juice and dried it. Then I seasoned it with salt and pepper and garlic and onion, and that's about it. And leave it to marinate for at least an hour, preferably overnight, so that all the season gets absorbed by the meat. Now I'm going to fry the chicken in half a cup of oil that's been heated in the frying pan, and I test to see if it's the right temperature by dropping a little piece of onion in. And if it sizzles, that means it's ready. I've removed any scallion and onion that might have been on the chicken. We don't want to get burned while it's frying, so you remove all of that stuff. Put the chicken in. It's about 2 minutes, so I'm going to turn and check for brownness. Oh, I think it's ready. So you do turn and do the other side for 2 minutes. So now the chicken is nice and brown. I'm going to remove them from the frying pan. I'm going to remove some of the oil from the pan. And if needed, I'll add it later, but I'm trying not to make a greasy gravy for this brown stew chicken. So I remove about half of what's left in there. And any burnt pork. Add 1 large chopped onion, a small piece of green pepper, and a small piece of red pepper. In Jamaica we call it sweet pepper. And you know why? Because we use so much hot pepper. So to make the distinction, we call red and green pepper sweet pepper. Put the onion in the oil until it's almost transparent. And to this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. I've already added a teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. Now I'm going to add a cup of hot water. To get my brown sauce going. I've added a cup of hot water and have it simmering. I'm going to test it for flavor. I think I need to add a little bit more salt. I put another teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. Now I'll add another cup of water. The water that I'm adding each time is hot water, almost boiling water, so that I keep the heat constant in the frying pan. Don't have to wait for it to start boiling again. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to simmer on medium for between half an hour to 3/4 of an hour. And then we'll test for doneness and how saucy the gravy is. Here's the chicken simmering away in my pan. Usually Jamaicans use what they call a Dutch, which is a Dutch oven or Dutch pot made from cast iron. And that's what we like. Brown stew chicken from Fay's Kitchen. Oh, I rhyme. I'm gonna serve it with steamed rice and a salad and a glass of wine.
And if I didn't for your sweetness, and if I didn't for your niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if I didn't for your sweetness, and if I didn't for your niceness,